Bright sunlight can force you to sneeze, no virus needed.
About 1 in 5 people have the photic sneeze reflex. An involuntary sneeze triggered the instant bright light hits the eyes, like stepping from a dim theater onto a sunlit street. Scientists traced the cause to a tiny wiring shortcut, the optic nerve, which carries visual signals, sometimes crosstalks with the nearby trigeminal nerve that controls nasal reflexes, a genetic quirk that likely helped our ancestors quickly clear their noses before a hunt. The sneeze bursts from the same brainstem hub that regulates breathing, so the reaction feels instant, even before your brain fully registers the glare. So the next time you step into bright daylight, brace yourself for that unexpected achoo.
Follow this channel if you enjoy this kind of stuff.